Hello, this is me, Ali Raja. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google marketing company. And in case if you need Google Ads audit, setup, management, or even Google Ads ad optimization services, you can hire me and my team through the link it has in the description. And we look forward to working with you. So now let's get started on the question, or it's exactly you call it a tutorial on how to add promo assets on your Google Ads. So promo assets or promotion assets are also previously known as extensions. Now they are being called as assets. Like over here, this is an ad, and if you see that this is a deal running right now, this is through the promo asset, and this can make your ad to be more attractive. If I this is an ordinary ad. If I'm going to show you over here, this is a normal ad. You can see over here, but in case if you add the promo extension like this, your ads gets more attention, more trust, and people can click on your ad. So that this is how, like, this is an ad, this is a review extension, this is an image side link extensions. But I'm going to show you, like, this is an again promo extension. Here you can see that this is an ad, and here you can see like the Valentine Day, the promo extension being running. So this not only increases the attention of your audience in your ads, but this also increases the chances of your CTA call to action and eventually more sales and more conversions, because you know that the discounts and promotions creates urgency factor in the customer. That is a well-known thing, but showing those in specifically in your ads as an additional assets grabs more attention of the people. They wouldn't have noticed in case if they seen in the headline, but rather seeing separately it's a Valentine Day 25%. So you get more space to explain to the audience, plus it looks like more attractive to them as compared to simple ads. So how you can create I was looking around and show you, some images. So how you can create it, it's very easy. I'm going to show you. This is a simple regular account. What you have to do is to go into simply your assets, because they are now being called as assets, previously known as extensions. So you can see you can add different extensions in your ad over here, like image, business logo, site link, headline, description, call out, structured snippet, call, lead form, location, price, app, and this is where our extension is going to be promotion extension. So simply I have to select this promotion extension. So once you select the promotion extension, you have an option. Simply select the plus over here, and you can see how it will appear on your map search, so Google Maps search or display. So let's say we look around for the search one. This is how we can show it. Let's say we are offering a flat 50% discount. So you can, in case we have to add a promotion type, monetary discount, promotion discount, up to monetary discount, up to percent discount. Let's say it's an up to $100 discount. We are going to add up to monetary discount of $100, so people can see it up to $100 discount over here. Okay, this is a display ad, so up to 100 off over here. But in case if you want to have a fixed discount, let's say we are going to go with a 50% off. It's a flat 50% off. We can going to see over here. Okay, so you can see on how it your ad looks like over here. 50% off all items. You can see 50% off all items. So you can see on a display as well. So you can see get 50% off all items. So yeah, you can add it, and then you can select it's a promotion details on orders over. In case if you want a specific orders, like if you want 4 orders or more, you can select over here. Or you can also announce a special if there is a promo code over here, like use Ali Raza Marketing, which is my YouTube channel. I'm just saying, okay, Ali Raza Marketing. So you can use it. Code 50% off all items. Use code Ali Raza Marketing. Like how amazing this is! I know this is crosses the 15 characters, but I'm just giving an example. And then you can simply select your dates. In case if you want to run for specific dates, you can select date over here. You can select over here, or you can simply select none if there is no this specific dates, or you have to manually turn it off. And then you can select advanced option. In case if there are in terms and condition, you can mention over here anything which you want to tell, like valid only for new subscribers, anything you can mention over here. And in URL option, in case if you want your own tracking code, you can mention over here. And after this, simply select the save button, and that is how you can simply add the promotion extension, and your ad will be shown like this over here to your audience, which will make it more attractive and more attention seeker. So yeah, I hope you like this video. In case if you need Google Ads audit, setup, or management services, or in case if you want us to add ad extensions like these in your ads, to hire us through the link in the description, and I look forward to working with you. So I hope you like this video, and I look forward to working with you. Make sure again to subscribe to our channel. Take care and bye bye.